For year 11, you need to check your Schoology by using this folder. I already put outside materials folder, Selamaris at home folder. This folder just for 2 weeks only, up to 31st March. Okay, Selamaris at home folder. So in this folder itself, I already separated into 3 days, which is our class on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So every accounting class, you need to check according to the days lah. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So I will upload every materials in there according to the days. Okay. For today, chapter 8 on new chapter, which is chapter 8. Chapter 8 is all about club and society. For club and society, it is non-profit organization. Non-profit organization. So since it is non-profit organization, it just for the purpose to help the members itself lah. So how the club and society get the money? It is from the subscription fee, or also known as membership. So every members need to pay the fixed fee for the club and society lah, depending on how much they already agreed to pay for every month or every year, depends on them lah. Okay, chapter 8, non-profit organization, club and society. This is non-profit. Okay, club and society for non-profit organization. If it is non-profit organization, meaning that they collect money just for the purpose to help the members only, not to make profit out of the subscription fee or membership that they already collected. Okay. So before we go further, I need to differentiate between the profit-making organization and also non-profit organization. So our focus for today will be this part, non-profit organization. Okay, this part, non-profit organization. But before that, I need to differentiate first lah. Profit making and non-profit organization. So profit making, this is normal one that profit making. Profit making, this one is a normal one that we already learned before this. For example, trading, profit and loss account. This is actually the income segment. So for trading account for income segment, we only prepare up to gross profit, from sales up to gross profit. And profit and loss account, we prepare everything lah until you found net loss or net profit for income segment. This is for profit making, but for non-profit organization, we call it as income and expenditure. So for income and expenditure, we didn't have the upper part, which is the sales, the cost of sale and what's not. So income and expenditure, we only have below gross profit only, which is income and expenditure. So this income and expenditure only for club and society, those related to the club and society only. For example, if income obviously the subscription fee or membership fee from the members itself. And for the expenditure, obviously lah, for example, you pay the utilities bills for your club. So this one include under expenditure. Expenditure is expenses to the club itself lah. Only include income and expenditure for the club. Those that didn't related to club and society, you need to put inside making profit making organization. Okay, and then if a normal one, we call it as net profit. But for club and society, net profit we replace with the surplus. It's just the same thing. Okay, but we use surplus because we want to differentiate between a normal company and also non-profit organization. If you see this is surplus, meaning that those company apply for a non-profit organization. Okay, and then for net loss, the normal one we call it as net loss, but for club and society we call it as deficit. Okay, it's just the same thing with different term only. And this term we only use in club and society account. Okay, and last one is cash book. Cash book is the account or ledger. Last one is cash book. Cash book, also known as T account or ledger. For normal company, we need to open cash book or T account. But for non-profit or club and society, we call it as receipt and payment. It's just the same T account, but we replace the term with receipt and payment. So everything I already upload the notes here. So I just simplify it through this whiteboard only. So everything I already put the materials. You can refer to this one lah for further details. Okay, and then one more receipt and payment. Receipt and payment account is just a normal T account, but for non-profit organization we call it as receipt and payment. For normal company we call it as cash book or T account, or also known as cash book. Pani. And then this is normal debit and credit. So debit side, you need to put all the money that you receive. And then for credit side, all the payment that you already made that related to your club and society. For example, receive here. Let's say you receive subscription fee or membership. Since you receive the money, you need to put in debit side lah. And then let's say you have a rental. You rent some shop to your customer. So rental receipt this part. Okay, discount receipt also this part. Discount receipt, you get the money from your supplier. Okay, for the payment side, all the payments that you made lah. For example, utility bills. And then the common one, if you buy new asset, for example, equipment. Since you buy, you need to pay for the equipment. So it is your payments. But after you already finish all the payments, it's become your non-current asset later. But for now, we need to put under payments since we buy. Okay, we buy, money goes out. And then let's say we buy stationery for office use, for club use. Also payment side, since the money goes out. Okay, it's just the same cash book or T account, but the difference only the name itself lah. Receipt and payment for club and society only. Okay, and then one more thing, I already attached together some work related to our chapter 8 together with this folder. In this folder, according to this lah, Monday. And then you need to print out the question itself, try to answer it, and after you answer it, compile together all the questions for the week until 31st March lah. And then I will share the answer after our lesson finish altogether. Okay, and then make sure you answer everything here, all the question, and compile it together. For those already completed and pass up to me after the break, I'll give you 5% for your assessment mark. But make sure it is complete first lah. Okay, so you need anything, you just put your comment below and I will answer later. Okay, thank you.